The Creative Versa-Tool from Walnut Hollow is the ideal hot tool for crafters. Makers of all skill levels can use this tool for wood burning, leather burning, stencil cutting, soldering, hot knife cutting, and more. The package includes a 950-degree tool with a temperature control dial, 11 interchangeable points, lead-free solder, instructions, a tool stand, and a storage case. The temperature control allows for users to confidently create on any surface by adjusting the dial to the corresponding zone. Lower temperatures work great for leather and cork, while higher temperatures work best for foam core and wood. Before changing the points, remember to turn the tool off and let it cool completely. Once the tool is cool, use a pair of pliers to twist off the point and to screw in the new point. The tool will take about 5 minutes to heat up. Hold the tool as you would a large pencil. Use light pressure and let the heat of the tool do the work. Place the tool on the included stand when not in use. The Walnut Hollow Creative Versa-Tool is a go-to tool for crafters of all skill levels. What will you create?